Hello, I'm Frank Hart and I'm going to show you how to set up your Euclideon account. To use udStream and work with udCloud, you need to create your Euclideon account. To do this, go to the udCloud welcome screen with this link. Here I can do a few things without logging in. I can view the featured projects with udStream Viewer. I can download the udStream software, and a couple of other things like change the language and get support. We are here for the Get Started button, so to create my Euclideon account, I'll hit that now. And here we are with the Euclideon account dialog, where I can sign in with my username and password, or I have a few social sign-in options. Since I need to create an account, I'll hit the sign up link now. Now I'm prompted to enter my email and have it verified. When I click the send verification code, an email will be sent to my address. I can now create a password, set my display name, and click create. These are T's and C's. I need to scroll down and accept, and then my account is created. I can now navigate to my account details, where I can come back and edit this at any time. Note the email and account name is locked and cannot be changed. And that's it. Short, sharp, and sweet. I now have a Euclideon account with up to 15 gigabytes of free udCloud data storage, and also udStream to visualize, analyze, present, and share my 3D data.